How to hide messages on iPhone. Hey everyone, welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll show you how you can hide messages on your iPhone. So to do that, first of all, let me show you an example. I'll simply send a message from my other device and then wait for the message to arrive. Now as you can see, you will be able to see the name of the person who has sent the message as well as their message. So if you want to hide this, what you'll have to do is simply go to your settings. Now scroll down until you see the option messages, tap on it. Now go to notifications and then where it says show preview, or simply tap on the option and then tap on the option never. Now back out and then let me send another message. And now as you can see, it will show the name but it won't show the message. And now if you want to see the message, what you'll have to do is simply go to messages and then you will be able to see the message from there. So that is basically how you hide messages on your iPhone. That was it for this video. Hope this video was helpful to you guys, and if it was, make sure you like this video and subscribe to our channel so that you don't miss out on further videos such as these.